guys, I'm gonna unbox the older kid box now. So, in your box, it's all gonna be nicely sealed with a sticker that says everything you can imagine is real. And then when you open it up, you're gonna find some fiberfill, felt, one large piece of black felt, and an array of multicolor felt, acrylic paint in a little bag. This is the paint that stains your clothes, so we're going to need to be careful with that. And then tempera paint in a white bag. That is the paint that you probably used a lot in school, and it doesn't stain, and you can use water with it to make it lighter. You're going to find Fimo clay. This is the clay that you bake in the oven, and it makes a little sculpture that is hard. You will also find a piece of aluminum foil that you're going to use with that Fimo clay to create a center. You're going to have a piece of cardboard with a needle taped to it in two different colors of yarn, a gouge. It's like a little needle that you will use to carve your printmaking thing, and then you'll have a brayer. If you have a brother or sister, I only gave you one brayer. And then you'll have a pencil, a Sharpie, some popsicle sticks, a plate, large paper, two things of Model Magic, a little bag that has extra fabric stuff, some white powdery substance in a bag. This is Claycrete, and it creates when you're going to mix 1 cup of water with this is 1 cup of Claycrete that I measured, and it creates a sculpture that turns hard. So we will need to do that. Some paper for printmaking, a piece of foam to do some foam printmaking, a sharpener, a canvas. You will have fabric glue, which is for the fabric, and glue stick. This black little thing is printmaking ink. Very important, very messy. You'll have also a thing that looks like this. This is joint compound. You'll use that on your canvas to build it up, and then you'll have an array of papers in here that look like this. There's white and colored, and then the very last thing is you will have some tissue paper. You will still need a cup to put your water for your painting in, and you'll need to bake in the oven the day we do this. And I think that is all that and obviously the 1 cup to measure your Claycrete. That is all you will need to be prepared. So just come Monday with your box and tune in to the link, and all will be well. See you soon.